Today we're at Byrider in North Charleston doing a walk around on a 2009 Pontiac G8. We're going to start our walk around on the driver's side, coming in right up front to check those tires. Great tread, nice set of alloy wheels. As we look around the exterior, we just want to look for any dents, dings, major scratches. Driver's side looks pretty good. No signs of any impacts here at the rear. And on the passenger side, just a little spot down low there, some normal wear and tear. We'll take a look inside the G8 now. You're going to have black sport cloth fabric. 158,670 is your current mileage. You've got your information display here. It's got AM, FM, XM satellite radio, CD, all your climate control. AC's blowing nice and cold. Power locks, power windows. It is an automatic. You've got some additional storage options in that center armrest. We're going to take a look now at the back seat. Give our camera just a second to adjust here. Just looking for any rips or tears, any damage to those seating surfaces. Everything there looks great. Carpet looks great. You've got rear air as an added option for those backseat passengers. Inside the trunk of the G8, good cargo space back here. You do have an option to get some goods back and forth into that rear seat if you need a little extra room. Taking another look now at the back seat from the passenger side. Again, nice and roomy back here. That seat release is going to be up here at the top, so you can, again, get that middle seat open, so you at least have the ability to pass some things back and forth. We're going to wrap up in the front passenger seat. One more look over the seating surface. Going to jump in here and take another spin around the back. And that's going to wrap up your 2009 Pontiac G8.